Yeah, I don't know what that manky bit of comb was doing in that frame either. But anyway, back with another video. This is me just opening a new sketchbook for my doodles and my little drawings that I'm doing and filming and putting on YouTube. I got this sketchbook from a local art supply shop from where I am in Wales, which is really good. It was a little bit overpriced in my opinion for what it is, but I would probably prefer to actually get it from a shop just so I can kind of, you know, there's something different about like going somewhere and, you know, that tangible place where you can see what it's like and you know, the atmosphere of like buying as opposed to like, you know, just getting it from Amazon. So I really like that. Yep, let's get rid of that plastic. So here we are. So basically this is a idea that I got from when I was in my pottery class just the other day, and it's going to be a flat piece of wall art actually, and all these little shapes are going to be made out of clay and like stuck on like a background and basically just put on a frame and put on a wall somewhere, hopefully. What I really liked about going back to this kind of idea is that it's completely abstract, it's really in my element. I can kind of have the freedom to just really like let my mind go and just come up with some crazy idea and seeing what fits. I've actually done a couple of these drawings in my small sketchbook when I was actually at the pottery class. But the good thing about this kind of project is that it actually gives me the opportunity to collaborate with someone else. Now, usually when I'm doing pottery or ceramics, it's very individualist. It's very like me doing it. No one else is involved. Very individualistic, if that's the right word. But when I did one of these a few years ago, it was basically 5 long pieces of slab that I've rolled out, cut into like rectangular shapes, and like done all these kind of abstract cuts and scores and whatever just came to mind. And I didn't know how to frame it, so my wife made a suggestion, and I was like, actually, why don't you do the frame for it? Make it, you know, color it how you want, and do whatever you think is kind of help display this these 5 slabs of clay. And she did it, and it made the piece look amazing. It's actually hanging in our bedroom, and it really kind of takes me out of my comfort zone, which is something you always need as an artist, because it helps me work with someone else, collaborate, and think about my art in a more of a commercialized way. You know, I'm not always thinking about what this would look like in a room somewhere or on display somewhere, and getting someone else's opinion and have it actually directly impact the work itself and actually add to the artwork is new for me, and I loved it because that piece of art looks amazing. So I'm hoping I can do that with something like this. I have like a rough idea. As you can see, the kind of orange and blue colors there. The pencil and the black are just for the purposes of this doodle itself. It's not going to really impact what the piece looks like in the end. But I think the orange or ochre blue type of shades that you can see definitely will. So I'm gonna hopefully work with my wife to kind of create a frame for this piece of artwork as well, and I'm looking forward to getting cracking on it. I might go through some different versions of it, but that's what it's going to be.